how to set the notification sound on Telegram. So first of all, open your Telegram application on your phone and log into your account, then click on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of your screen and click on settings. After that, you will see this page where you will have to click on the third settings option, which is notifications and sound. This is the page where we can do all types of sound settings for our Telegram. So after coming to this page, simply click on the top option, which is private chats, and you'll be automatically promoted to this page where you will have a list of options here. You will have to simply click on the sound option that you see, and you'll be taken to a page where you can select any sound that you want. You can also click on upload sound and upload an MP3 file from your device to be set as the notification sound. After setting up the sound, you can go back in on this page. You can choose to set the notification sound for groups, channels, and private chats through the same method as shown in the video. Just select the option and choose a sound, and it will be set as the new notification sound for your Telegram. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.